How to change the weather location on a 2017 or 18 Subaru Impreza with the new sound system featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With much love to Liliana and Alexis for motivating me to make this video. First, we're going to start the car. And this is a 2017 Subaru Impreza Sport 5-door, but as long as it has this head unit on it, that's what they call it in the business, this should be the same. Okay, so we're on the radio here. Go to the home screen, and you're going to see these. The next thing, and this is what it doesn't say in the owner's manual that I could find, apps. You go to apps. Then you go to Travelink. And there you go. Now, even people on the internet as of today, which is May 8th, 2017, are frustrated because this is what it says no matter where they live. It says New York. So then we're going to go to this tab that says locations, and we're going to add one. We'll go to California because I'm in Fresno. And we'll scroll. I guess we want to go the other way, don't we? Oh. I selected Santa Barbara. Okay, there we go. We'll scroll this way. This is always trouble for me. There we go. I think my fingers are too greasy or something. Maybe it's the car thing. There's Fresno. I had to scroll down. Now I've selected Fresno. We're going to go to the back button. We're going to go back again. And we're going to go back. Okay, so I missed a step. So once I went back, I had to go to weather, and then locations, and then select Fresno. See, you did it in real time live with me. So there we are. Now we're going to go hit the home screen. Go back to apps. And we're going to check Travelink. And we're going to check weather. And boom, there you go. Feel free to hit me up. I'll find answers if you don't have them. You can call or text me at 559-905-0102 or edscarpage.com. Just click Ask Ed. Type your question in there. It will come to my cell phone and I'll get the answer. Thank you very much. Thanks for being here on my YouTube channel and Ed's Car Page.